In this video, I will show you how to use HubSpot as a CRM. First, log into your HubSpot account and go to the CRM section from the dashboard. This is where you can manage all your contacts, companies, deals, and activity in one place. Next, start by adding contacts. Click on Contacts and then Create Contact. Enter details like name, email, phone number, and any other important information. You can also import contacts in bulk if you already have a list. After that, organize your data using companies and deals. In companies, you can track businesses you are working with, and in deals, you can manage your sales pipeline step by step from lead to closing. Now open a contact profile. Here you can see all activities like emails, calls, meetings, and notes in one timeline. This helps you keep track of every interaction with your customers. You can also use tasks and reminders to follow up with leads on time, so you never miss an opportunity. Finally, use the dashboard to get an overview of your sales performance, deals progress, and team activity. That's it. You can now use HubSpot as a powerful CRM to manage customers, track sales, and grow your business. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.